Hey guys, welcome to our channel. I'm Yuki, the trainer from JEGA. In today's video, we are going to talk about the JEGA AI Aicutlist update. It's about the draw menu, this edit panel. You can use all the features under this edit panel to make some change on the shape you create from this draw panel. So first, we would like to use this smooth features. The shortcut key is M. So I just draw a circle first. Then I just input the M. This is the shortcut key for the move. Now we need to select the object, press base key, specify the base point. I would like to use the center of this one. Then you just directly move out. When this green line show out, which means the circle is horizontal moved out, then you can directly input the distance between them, 300, or you can also press the tab key to change to the second field to input the degree between them, like 45, like this. Or if you want to move down, you just move down your cursors. Just left click to play this one. This is how you can move the shape you draw. If you would like to copy this one, just select it. The copy shortcut key is CO, so we just input CO. And press base key. Still the same, we need to specify the base point. I'm still using the center. Then you can still input the distance and the degree between them. Just left click to place it, or you can just input the value like this. Press the space key to place another one and escape key to end command. And I just Control Z to undo them. Now it's about the rotate. Select this circle. The shortcut key is R, so we just input R, press base key. Next to specify the base point. Like if I would like to rotate from here, then when you move, you can see the rotate angle. You just need to input the angle. Or just simple left click to set it. Before that, if you would like to save the original object, you can see at the bottom we'll have the copy feature. You just input C. And then just press the space key. Now you will have one more. And this is the mirror shortcut key MI. So I just input MI, press space key, select the object, press space key again. Next, specify the base point. I specify at here. Still the same, you can set where you would like to mirror it. And you can also copy it one more. Just input the C key like this. For the trim feature, you can use this one to trim the line or shade that you don't need. Like now, I just simply drop some rectangle here, or even a circle right here. To trim all this cross line, then I can use this trim feature. Shortcut key TR. So I just input TR, press space key. You have two methods. Hover your cursor on one of the lines, just simple left click to trim it. Or you can just left click and move your cursors to the other place. Then you can see all the line intersection with the dashed line will be in red, and all those red lines will be trimmed. You just left click, then you can check its effect like this. Or just simple left click the line to trim it. This is the trim feature. Press escape key to end this command. To use this extrude feature, you can input the S key. Right now, I'm going to use a rectangle as an example. Select this one and input S. Now I need to select the base point. If you select this whole the rectangle, and then when you move out, it will be the move feature. But if you only want to extrude one line or two lines, press space key again, left click and move your cursors to here, left click again. Then you will only select these two lines actually. Press the space key to confirm the selection. Now you need to specify a base point. If I use this one as a base point, then you can see I will only move these two lines. Input values and angle. like this is 150, and press tab key, input the angle 14.5, press enter key to save it. Now for the Philip, you can turn the angle between two lines to an arc shape. So I just draw a rectangle to show it. For this rectangle, let's show the shortcut key is F, so I just press F. Now I need to select the first object. Then I need to select the second object. Then you can see here we'll have a fillet between these two lines. But if you would like to change the radius of this fillet, then you need to, let me press the space key to invoke it. Select the first one. Between you select the second one, you need to input R to change its radius. Like the default radius is 20. Then you can change it to 50 like this. Press space key. Select the second line. Now you can see the radius will be changed. If you invoke this command again and select the next one, you can see the default value will be changed to the value you set, 50. This is for the fillet. If you're doing a chamfer, let's Ctrl Z and check the shortcut key CHA. Okay, I just input CHA. Still select the first line and then select the second line. It will also have a default distance. If you would like to change that distance, select the first line, and you can see it will notice you to press D key to change the distance. So I just press D, press space key. So now let's specify the first chamfer distance. If this is 80, I just input it like this and press space key. Then let's select the second chamfer distance at 50. Press space key. Then I can select my second line. Now you can see the chamfer distance will change. And if you invoke this chamfer command again, it will save the chamfer distance you set like this. For this zoom feature, the shortcut key scale, you can use this one to scale the shape you created. Like for this one, check it, select it, SC, and press space key. First, select the base point. Like now, I just select the corner of this one. Then you can just move your cursors to scale it or just specify the scaled factors like 0.5. Then it will be like this type. When you're doing the scaling, you can also copy a new one. Like I just press space key, select object, select the center. Like now I can press C key, then to specify the scale factor. Like I specify this one. I will get a new one. For the offset features, let me delete the inner one. You can use these offset features to offset the shape or just offset this panel contour. Like now, I just offset the shape, select the shape. Not this one, this is the whole panel. Select the shape, then you can move out. You can see it has been locked to 20. If you want to change it, just input the value and press space key. Then you can offset to the outside. If you offset inside, you just select it and move inside. Just change the distance. Like now, when you move your cursors on the panel, the orb will be turning blue, which means you can also offset this whole panel contour. Select it, then you can offset inside or outside like this. Like now, I just set it 150, press space key, then you can see this one, and press escape key to end it. So this is all the feature for the edit panel. Hope this can help you. See you at our next video. Goodbye.